With developing news, an 82-year-old man in court today accused of murdering his wife more than 40 years ago in Sturgeon Bay.
NBC 26's Juliana Falk in Door County with the story.
Richard Pierce's preliminary hearing lasted most of the day today. He's facing charges of first-degree murder and disinterment of dead. According to court documents, Pierce's wife at the time, Carol Jean, went missing on or about September 5th, 1975. At that time, Pierce was a member of the U.S. Coast Guard stationed in Sturgeon Bay. The couple married for nearly 9 years. During the preliminary hearing, the state called 2 witnesses to the stand, and the defense called 1. Pierce suspected of killing his wife, but her remains have not been found.
Today we heard testimony that at the time she died, Carol Jean Pierce had accumulated many things, personal property in her possession from the safe deposit box, as well as a vehicle, partial ownership of land. That in September 75, despite being in a marriage that was abusive enough to prompt her to tell one of her neighbors that she thought the defendant was going to kill her, she was looking forward to retiring in Michigan with her husband.
There's no history of domestic violence, not one domestic violence report for Mr. Pierce with regards to the relationship, or no record in his military service that suggested he was a person that had violent tendencies.
Some statements from people who knew the couple said their marriage seemed fine. Others said differently. The judge says he believes there are sufficient facts and that a felony was probably committed, binding Pierce to trial. His arraignment is scheduled for March 25th. In Sturgeon Bay, Juliana Falk, NBC 26.